He's mingling with the crowd.
Him not just mingle. He must scout for somebody, man. Anna, you have a clear view of him?
Yes, I do.
Him seem to be looking at anybody specific?
He's walking to them.
Yeah, man. I work him, I work. She's a target. Alright, guys. May I go in. Stay out of sight.
Are you sure, Agent B?
Yeah, man. Wanna just stay out of sight.
I don't like this.
Hello, Milton. We need for talk. Don't make it look obvious.
Hello.
Good morning, yeah? So we are say agent per se.
I see you're on the job, Milton.
So how are you? I was expecting you.
You were? Interesting.
I figure credit still. You do your work.
Now go cut to the chase. Who you work for?
No, me can't tell her that though.
So them send you to take down the agency, but you go after a tech person.
Tell her the truth in the agent. Check for vaccine or real life. You know. Never want her that.
But I guess you just didn't do your job, right?
You know it go. Business are business.
You know, so this scam was to do. You have to give me something.
You don't have no power in a Berlin. You're out of your jurisdiction. You think you can frighten me.
As to Anks,
Shabe me house.
why you come out for the agency though? What you have against it?
So put it this way. Your agency has step on a lot of toes. Sometimes to expose, you know.
Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. And guess what? You can't do nothing about it.
I know me can't do nothing about it. But maybe somebody else can.
Nice talking to you. You're Agent B.
Milton, you should be careful where you eat, you know.
So what do you mean by that?
Is a German girl serve you at the stall today where you buy food? Sir, we're not gonna get nothing all time. You might play hardball. What you want we do? Okay. Emma. Anna. Get to work.
Okay.
So what him say? Okay. So you're going back. Nice. You know, say them call me though and say like me have a week. Yeah. Yeah, me know me for do it. She left here 2 days now. I'm not here for now. I'm call her back. Alright?
Babe, before you get upset, please let me explain.
Explain? You don't need to explain nothing to me, Tony. I'm a good man.
You have every right to be upset, babe. But trust me, there's a reason.
I'm sure there's a reason. I just don't want to hear it.
Kareem, my mother find herself in a jam again, and me have to deal with it.
So every time she find herself in a jam, you have to be the one to take her out?
What you mean, Kareem? I'm a mother we are talking about, you know?
Are your mother, not your daughter. She can take care of herself.
I can't believe you said this.
Just like how me can't believe so you leave for 2 days without no forms of communication.
Babe, let me explain. Which family there? The signal did bad.
That's if your mother you go look for.
What you try to say?